this Bertie was in really bad condition, and I'm thinking in restoration, the red color again. But since there is a lot of red, Berties, wouldn't be nice to have this in a golden color? Maybe that would be great, or metallic blue. What do you think? Metallic blue will looks nice too. It's different, something that will stand out from the regular Bertie. So that will be a nice costume. Golden color, I think golden is nice too. So I'm gonna run a poll, the polls in the section, to see what do you guys think. I'm gonna try to put 3 different colors. So we are going to do this Bertie, either way, golden or metallic blue, or I paint it again as a red color, the original red color. So I hope I can get a good input from you guys on the polls, so that way we can go from there. We can paint it either red, metallic blue, or gold. So this is a wooden railway motorized Bertie. I'm not living Trackmaster, so I'm just exploring new horizons, new videos that will be good for Thomas fans from wooden railway. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.